In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy and stake on Hector Finance. So I'm just going to quickly walk you through staking on Hector Finance, and the official URL for the site is hector.finance. I'll make sure I link that in the description below. And what you want to do first is connect your wallet. So you can see right now that the current price for Hector is 13.10. The first thing we're going to do is connect our wallet, and I'm just going to click on the connect option up here, and it's going to pop open my MetaMask, and I'm just going to enter my password. And we want to make sure that we're on the Phantom network. So up here at the top, I have Phantom selected. If you don't have Phantom already added to MetaMask, I'll make sure I link the instructions on how to do that in the description below. Once you have your wallet connected, the next thing you want to do is add Phantom tokens so you can swap it into HEC or HEC. So I'm going to switch over into my exchange. Now I'm in a Canadian exchange. This one's called NDAX. Okay, so I'm going to go to my wallet and I'm going to select Phantom, and I'm going to be doing about $400. I'm going to be sending that out right now. So I'm going to click on the send option. Going to select Phantom, and I'm going to put in my wallet address. Now my wallet address is going to be my address over here up at the top. I've just copied it and I can paste that in. So I'm going to be transferring about 1,100, which at the time of recording is $370 Canadian. So I have my address entered in here, and I'll scroll down a bit, click on send. It's going to ask me to enter in my authentication code, and I'm setting it to my MetaMask wallet. And that should show up in just a moment. Right now it hasn't showed up yet. So what I'll do is I'll just jump ahead. It might take a minute or so for it to show up here. Okay, and that's fairly quick. So we have 1103 Phantom now in the wallet, and we're ready to buy some HEC or HEC. We're going to use their DEX, their exchange over here, to switch it over into HEC. So up here at the top, I'm going to be selecting Phantom. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to be selecting HEC. And I'll be converting 1100, which will give me 21.60. And then you go ahead and click on the swap option. And I will see this over here to confirm. So go ahead and click on confirm. And it'll just take a few moments while this transaction processes. So it looks like the transaction has been processed, but I don't have the asset entered in here yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to import the token. And what I'm going to need is that address. So I'm going to switch over to CoinMarketCap. And if I go down in here under Hector Finance, I'll just look for that Phantom link, and I'm just go ahead and copy that address, switch back over. I'm going to go up here, and then I'm going to click on import tokens, paste in the address, and then it'll automatically fill in the token symbol and the decimal. Click on add token, and then import token, and you can see my balance is already showing up here. So 21.60 is what I have right now. Now I already have some tokens staked. This is going to be a second batch that I'm going to be putting in here. So I'm going to go into the stake option on the left-hand side, and my current balance is 44.50. Now this is what I did earlier in the year. I actually put in 39, so I've accumulated another 4 or 5 tokens. So what we're going to do is make sure that we have staked selected. You can see our balance in our wallet. I'm just going to max it out. So I have 21.60 available. I'm using the maximum amount. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the stake option, and it's going to want to get approval from MetaMask. You can see that pop up over here. We just have to confirm it. Very low gas fees, which is great. Click on confirm. And my total balance stake right over here at 45 will update momentarily. Okay, I just got a confirmation from MetaMask, and you can see that my total stake balance is 66.179. And that's how you do it. That's how you stake on Hector Finance using HEC. And that's how you buy it, convert it, and then stake it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash that like button. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.